In this episode, we continue along the Via Francigena. Our host prepared a generous breakfast and provided paper bags so we could take some with us for lunch. Today we make our way to Gambassi Terme, a 24-kilometer walk of 6 to 7 hours, passing through the quiet countryside of Calenzano, before entering the rolling hills of Val d'Elsa, where the vineyards and olive groves stretch along the path. Before leaving San Miniato, we passed by the church and convent of San Francesco. Built in the 13th century, the church commemorates the visit of St. Francis himself, who came here in 1211. The church has no elaborate facade, reflecting the idea of poverty upheld by St. Francis. Walking downhill from the church, we come across a ceramic crucifix on the wall, the St. Andrew's Cross, created by local artist Dilvo Lotti in the mid-1950s. Not far from here stands a statue commemorating Leopold II, Grand Duke of Tuscany, the region's last ruler. After passing the police station, we leave San Miniato from the far side and enter Calenzano, heading out towards the countryside. The dense streets of hill town slowly unfold into rolling hills and farmland. From here, we follow about 3 kilometers of asphalt road, with scattered houses and small inns along the way. These tall, slender trees we keep seeing are Italian cypress, one of the most iconic elements of the Tuscan landscape. From here we turn right and enter a vast undulating landscape known as the Val d'Elsa. Along the way, we come across a wooden installation of a pilgrim and a dog, installed in 2021 by the European Association of the Via Francigena to mark its 20th anniversary. As these endless vineyards come into view, we know we have entered the Chianti area. Chianti is a classic Italian wine region, primarily known for the Sangiovese grape, characterized by high acidity and pronounced tannins. In addition to red grapes, this area is also a traditional white wine zone, the Bianco dell'Empolese (DOC). It is mainly based on Trebbiano Toscano, producing a fresh, easy-drinking table wine. The area belongs to the rural settlement of Campiano, made up of farmland and scattered houses, with no clear village center. Cats and roosters appear along the way, a familiar sight in the Tuscan countryside. We arrived at Coiano, a midway point along the route. Ahead stands the Church of Saints Peter and Paul, which has been closed for a long time and is currently undergoing restoration. This weathered barn brings to mind Gaetano Bresci, who came from the Coiano area. His family's agricultural livelihood declined with changing times, and later, influenced by workers' conditions and radical ideas, he went on to assassinate Umberto I of Italy before taking his own life in prison. Walking through the hilly terrain, the path rises and falls with the landscape. As we reach higher ground, the view opens up before us. After passing these houses, we reach the final stretch of today's journey. The rolling hills ahead resemble the classic Microsoft Windows desktop, now tinged with autumn colors. We finally arrived at Gambassi Terme. The town was originally known simply as Gambassi. Until 1977, the Terme was added to promote local mineral spring, Acqua Salsa di Pilo, indicating a place known for its spring waters. After a short rest at the hotel, we head out for dinner. We choose a restaurant with a rating above 4 and order pasta, steak, salad, and cake, all of which turn out to be very good. That brings us to the end of this episode. Thank you for watching.